Hi guys, thank you for coming with me to Michael's. Let's check out their hot price area over here. I think it's 99 cents. Let's take a look, guys. Okay, so they have these reusable bags. There's 150 pieces in here, guys. So I think, no, that's $2.99. So this is sitting at the front of the store. It starts at 99 cents and there are multiple prices all the way to the end over there. So let's see what they have. So here's the larger ones. These are also 150 pieces. These are the larger bags, and then these are the smaller bags. $2.99 for those. Then the glue guns here are $3.99, so it's like $3.99 for this, and I'm not sure you can use a coupon on these items here, guys. So you have this 7-pack of the glue sticks, Elmer's glue sticks, and those are $6.99, guys. Then you have this size, I don't see a price here, $4.99 for this size E6000. So you know what, I might, what is that? $4.99, that's $5. I'm not sure, I'll think about that one. So here you have this Scotch double-sided tape for $4.99. I don't know, guys, I'm not sure that's a bargain. So for $2.99 you get 2 of these gift bags. I don't know, guys, something doesn't sound right there. But anyway, the tacky glue, this size tacky glue is 5 ounces, 25% more, $1.99. And they're in here with these compartment little, these are really cute for organizing beads. Then you have your glitter glue for $1.99 each. Here you have all of these, the Craft Smart acrylic paint pots. These are $2.99. And then nothing's really in here, $4.99, and I'm not sure for what. So the Westcott scissors, these are $5.99. Then you have your sponge brushes here, just one for 99 cents. Guys, you can get a pack at Dollar Tree. Okay. I'm sorry, I had to let that out. So you have the Craft Smart 2-inch alphabet paper stencils, and you have them in 2 fonts. I think that I see this font and this font. Anyway, they're $5.99. Then I'm not really sure which one of those are $4.99. Here you have this pack here, and I'm not seeing a price. So let's move over here. So we have some picture frames here. These are 99 cents. So we have this kind here. This is a train, and here's a crown, guys, for picture frames. Let's see what else. We have a cat, and I think that's it when it comes to those picture frames. Then you have the little craft boxes, and these are tiny, guys, for 99 cents. You can get them bigger at Dollar Tree. Then you have these wooden figures here, and they come with wheels. Okay, that's the horse. Here's a truck though. That's pretty neat. And then here is a school bus, and here is a car, and there's the little horsey. So those are kind of cute, but they're $1.99. Then this wooden plaque there, there's only one left, is 99 cents, and that one down there is also 99 cents. So now, okay, guys, Dollar Tree sells these boxes, these craft boxes, maybe a tiny bit smaller, but they're $1 over there. They're $2.49 here. Then they have the trinket little trays for 99 cents here. These are smaller. And the ones at Dollar Tree are a little bit bigger. So I don't know, guys. I love Michael's, but you just gotta watch what you're looking, okay, what you're buying. Okay, so here, this wooden block here shaped like this, 99 cents. Then you have this one. So that even their wooden shapes, guys, are a little bit smaller. So anyway, these are 99 cents. Then their picture frames here are 99 cents, and they come in this shape. This shape. Dollar Tree carries all these shapes, guys. So at least those are 99 cents. Then if you come over here, this is cake decorating stuff, and these are $3.99, I guess, for the pack. Then you have have some of these. So you have some tags to and from. Then you have some baker, and actually they're tied to baker's twine. So you have all of those down there. Then you have the picture frames for $1.99 if you want them in the black. The same exact picture frames as these that are 99 cents. These are $1.99 in black. Okay, so then you have the chalk in all colors, guys, because I see peach, I see yellow, I see that green over there, and the white chalk. So this chalk here is 99 cents for the box. Then you have these for 99 cents. And then these, I think, have some clothespins in the back. Those are 99 cents. I'm loving these jars though, guys. Aren't they nice? I like these jars. It's $1.99. And I'm not sure if they let you use a coupon. So here is a chalkboard with the, it's like with the stand, $2.49. So the arrows, which they have at the Dollar Tree, in black is $2.49. Okay, so here for $4.99 you can get this clear drinking cup. That's $4.99, guys. Then here you have these little containers for 99 cents. Those are kind of cute. Then you have these plastic jars. I call them craft jars. Those are 99 cents for one. Now they have this pack of the little plastic mason jars for $5.99. Then they have the bigger ones. I like these though, in plastic, but they're $5.99, and I don't, like I said, I don't know if they let you use a coupon. It would be nice if they let you use a coupon. And I'm loving these bottles with these black tops. Those are $1.99 each, guys. So then you have the markers. I think they're markers. Let's see. Yeah, the ballpoint pens. They come like this. Take note, positive vibes, shine bright, make today amazing, and enjoy the movement. So those are really cute. Those are $3.49. And here's some scissors. Now these are by the Craft Smart. I've never tried these scissors. They're $1.49. Then here for $5.99, I think they have those color pencils, the artist color pencils. And look at this. I love that marble. So this is just a little notebook, a little tiny notebook. You can carry this in your bag. And those are $1.99, guys. So then you have these, which is the list. Okay, those are 99 cents. And then these pads here, these notepads here, they're pretty thick. $2.49 for these. So top priority today, okay, but still $2.49. So this is $3.99, guys. And in here, look at that little tiny Scotch tape thing. Isn't that cute? With the tiny scissors, the little staple remover. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. You see that, guys? It's so cute, but it's $3.99. That is the most adorablest thing I've ever seen. Then you have these pens. $1.49, so different kind, guys. See them in there? Then you have these. Oh, okay. So you have the long containers for $1.99, and those come in multicolor. Here are the smaller ones for 99 cents. I think Dollar Tree has these in the clear for 99 cents, if you can find those. Then over here you have some wrapping paper, okay? I like the black stripe and the black polka dots. So anyway, but they do have these for $1.99, and how long these are 20-inch by 15 feet. Then you have the ribbons here for $1.49. You have all these ribbons. This has the cowboy boots. Isn't that cute? And then this has the candy stripe. What is this one? You have this one. You have the pink. Isn't that pretty? Very pretty. Okay, so then over here you have some more. Look, they have the cupcake. And I'm really loving that one. And look at the iridescent multicolor, guys. Okay, so these, I don't see a price, so they all must be $1.49. Then you have some jute twine here, but I don't see a price, guys. see a price on the jute twine. And here it says, these are tissues. This one says hello. And you have this kind here, has a watermelon. I like the hello one in pink and these. Okay, so those are 99 cents. And what are these? Ribbon scraps. So these ribbon scraps, guys, are $2.49. Then you have some more ribbon over here for $1.49. And I'm just gonna scan that for you so you can see. This one here has the keys. Isn't that cute? This is the brown with the blue. I like that. Here's the black and the white, so $1.49. I just picked one of these rolls up at Dollar Tree. You just have to be a good shopper when you come, guys. That's all I'm saying. So here, this one says yay. These are gift cards, no cards, thank you cards. Those are $1.49. And then over here, I like these labels. Let's see, so these are $2. And how many labels do you get? 34 pieces. That's not bad, I guess. I don't know. Guys, so they have these round ones, and they just have the long ones. And then I'm liking these flowers, guys. Aren't they beautiful? For $1.49, you get 2. They're so pretty. I love microflowers. And then over here, you have some bling wrap. How big is this one? So this is 3 yards. And it's double. And you get them all these colors. So here's some more iridescent and sequins kind of ribbon, $2.49. So here you have some gemstones, and that's $1.49. Some thank you cards for $2.49. Here's some stamps. Aren't these cute, guys? Great job. Congratulations to you. Thank you. Hi. Best day ever. Those are really cute. $1.99. So what is this over here? So these are some stamps. The ink stamp pads for $1.99. Then over here you have some more ribbon. What are these things in a can? Amber, sandalwood. This must be candles. I can't. Let me see if this is. I can't get that open. But I think these are candles, guys. So this one says citrus, cotton blossom, amber, sandalwood. So they have different scents, guys, and those are $3.99. Okay, so you have some cutouts here, cookie cutouts, and I don't see a price on those. So let's see what's over here, guys. Okay, so you have these containers here for 99 cents. These are kind of cute. Then you have some compact mirrors. They come in all these colors over here, guys. Look at that. Then you have some of these candles for $1.99. They don't have no throw to them, guys. Then they have these little tube things. This is kind of cute. These tubes, 99 cents. Then this is some paper shreds for $1.49, guys. These paper shreds. Look how small that is. So here you have the 3-pack of these containers. They sell these at the Dollar Tree. But here they're $2.49, and some more cookie cutters down there. And I think each one is 99 cents, guys. So here, this is paper crafts. This is Paw Patrol. I think these are all Paw Patrol. Oh no, wait a minute. What is this one? Butterbeans Cafe. Let me see if I can find something else. No, these are Paw Patrol. And they have this kind here. Nickelodeon. Okay, so these are $1, guys. Then you have more Paw Patrol here and here. So here you have these little boards with the numbers in the back. Those are $4.99. Then here you have a macrame. Look at this, guys. So you have like a macrame set here, starter set for $5. And then over here, guys, you have some felt. Those are 39 cents each for the sheet. And these sheets are a decent size. So then they have the popsicle sticks. I'm not sure if these fancy ones have no, they're not adhesive. So they have the popsicle sticks here for $3.99, guys. And Yeah, $3.99. Then they have these wooden dowels here for $2.99, and these popsicle craft sticks $4.99. So the glitter here is $3.99, and the pom-poms up here. Now, guys, remember, this is the display in the front of the store right when you walk into Michael's. So I just wanted to show you that. And then over here, they have some scarves for $2.99 and some headbands and some jewelry. Thank you for coming with me to Michael's just to check out their front sale display here. And I will see you in the next video.